Niks gebeurd.
Ja.
Ineens af over.
Oké, never mind.
Nog één.
Ja. Hi guys, good evening everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mariama and we are still in Belgium. We are going for a boat ride. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Stay tuned and enjoy, guys. Belgium in a city called Dinant and we are going for a boat cruise. Okay. Okay, I saw the boats now. It's there. The kleiner boats. These are the boats we are taking, these small boats. We are going to be our own captain today. Okay, here. Okay, boat cruise. What? Hey, I can't jump.
Je gaat zwemmen en dan pik je
Waarom
je
is het
slecht
zo?
op.
Wat?
Zwemmen en dan word je slecht op.
Nee, loser.
Belgium, Belgium.
Boven bossen, dat wordt niks.
Ah, you people, you don't pray for anything good. Sink in where?
It's okay, first of all, it's dad driving. I don't really trust it.
Now you should trust it now. We are going. He's moving the steer. He's moving the boat.
No, he's not. He just even want to experience it.
Yeah, you see the other people also. God, historic boat, historic boat. Okay. Look at that historic boat. We are in Belgium in Dinant. We are on a boat cruise. Memorial 3 and 28.
Those for cold winter. Yeah, in the winter I would use them. Wat doe je?
Here's the boat is going the other side. Ah!
Rustig, je moet 15 meter uit de buurt blijven daar.
Ah, okay. Ah, the other boat is come.
Die gaat toch niet? Die gaat niet om.
Aan de andere kant.
Ja,
Ah, okay.
we moeten er gewoon rechts houden.
Papa.
Weet je wat rechts is in zeemanstaal? Stuurboord. Links is bakboord. Ik heb een week op mezelf school gedaan.
Belgium, Belgium.
Niks gebeurd.
Ja.
Ineens af over.
Mogelijk vlak bij de tweede.
Next boat cruise in Belgium, Dinant. What is the name of this town? Dinant.
Dino.
Dinant. Okay. Dinant.
Deze spreek je niet uit. Dino.
Okay, yeah. Now it's gone.
I hate this backdrop.
Oh no, it's covered by trees. That's why.
Can I just about that? What?
Yeah, it's nice.
Sure. Papa,
Ja.
mag je de water aanraken?
Yeah, it can.
Zwemmen er ook in. Zo.
My water is like travel.
If I go one side,
Water is like. But boat time Fatima like.
Hi.
You want to come in?
Is it clean? I can't even turn around.
What the hell is that?
Papa!
Belgium, Dinant. This is the big boat.
Oké, niet aanraken.
Dat je voelt.
I splash? No. Can I splash? Splash on the ball with that.
What?
I can't do it.
Dia pun tak pernah tak jalan. Ya, pernah tak. Copire, le copire.
And my quality is bad if I zoom in. The ski bones again.
Yeah, that's easy why. Yeah.
Damn it. Sorry.
Hey, don't stop.
You wouldn't die because water damage. No, like you would hurt me bad. I know to say it, baby. That's how big. Look at that mountain too.
Wow, look at that.
What problem with being in the middle of the airport? It's so high. You're 6
Cruise, yes, you can see behind me, guys. Seriously, Belgium is nice. It's almost at the end of our tour, actually. Yes, oh my god, it's pretty, it's nice for cruise. Tot welke huis? Waar? Deze. Oh, deze tree. Okay, je moet omdraaien. Okay, end of the boat trip actually. It was nice. And bedankt the captain. Oh, there's a tree house. Okay, yes. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Emily Ann, we are now turning. The boat trip is over now. It is nice, it is gorgeous, guys. If you want to come to Belgium and you want to have this boat, like, how much is it? 60? Is that stuff?
59.
50?
59.
Oh, 59. Oh, that is just that. Okay. Yes, we are back. Dinant. The trip is over. Yes, now we are coming to park. Yes, the medical still. Look at these boats. Ja.
Nederlands. Ja, Nederlands liever.
Ja, Nederlands, ja.
Please. Isso.
Oke, dulu mati.
Nog één.
Ja, maar jij moet wel voor je. Ik wil wel een beetje.
Nog was...
IJstie.
Foto?
Yeah, I see.
Hi guys, this brings us to the end of our boat trip, guys. It was so nice and it was so amazing, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next podcast.